If I press start, everything starts.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so.
Now it will plan all of the movements. It will do exactly what we saw on animation. You see?
Without welding.
Yes.
It says welding enabled.
Yes. Currently it will weld.
It will weld?
Not right now. Currently it identifies where the real workpiece is on the position.
Okay.
And we will see later the real vision data. It's alive. So now it has all the data inside and it asks us for confirming. Please press the
pink button.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
lovely. Ah, look at this.
Please rotate. Please
So
rotate.
rotate this guy.
Yes.
Oh, you got to see this. This is brilliant. You got to see the mapping here on screen. That's lovely. Yeah. Okay. So you got to see this. This is like a dot diagram. And so what does green mean?
The green means that what we see from the vision device is what we expect. So it matches pretty well with the 3D model.
How about red?
The red is like you see, it's a bit far from the model. But anyway, when we average all of the data, when we compare with the model, we are pretty good at positioning it automatically. So you see, it's different from the standard position. It's not positioned axis aligned at the moment. Okay, it's positioned somehow, exactly how we see it, with the exact rotation we see. And this is a fixture. We identified it because it's very, very important for our trajectories, because we don't want the collision to happen, right?
Yeah. So that nozzle needs to get around the clamp,
Yes.
get things done, and not dash into anything. Okay, so is it ready?
Confirm.
Confirm selection.